Welcome to today's lesson, ladies and gentlemen. This is part 2 of the Garifuna prefixes, and we're dealing with GA in this episode. Starting with capiensility. Capiensility, a male educated person. And capiensilito is a female educated person.
Capiensilit wugurile. Capiensilit wugurile. This fellow is educated. Mapiensilit narugut. Mapiensilit narugut. My grandfather is uneducated.
And also, for all these prefixes, remember adding MA in front makes it negative. Next,
Gabat. Gabat.
he owns a house, or
Gabat. Gabat.
she owns a house.
Gabat la rubeya. Gabat la rubeya. Or Gabati la rubeya. Gabati la rubeya. He has a house on the beach.
Gabeluti likes to frequent the streets. Gabelutu, she likes to visit the streets, or she likes to frequent the streets.
Gabeluti saguweyo. Gabeluti saguweyo. He goes visiting every day. Mabeluto saguweyo. Mabeluto saguweyo. She does not go visiting every day.
Kabugahati, he can drive. Kabugahatu, she can drive.
Gabugahat buido. Gabugahat buido. Or Gabugahati buido. He drives well.
Kabunuruti, he is lucky. Kabunurutu, she is lucky.
Gabunuritia iseri irahiuha. Gabunuritia iseri irahiuha. Kids of today are lucky.
Kadunamati, it is appropriate. Or Kadunamat,
Gadunamati lun wabosuru hun weyaya. Gadunamati lun wabosuru hun weyaya. It is appropriate to greet the elderly.
Gafisiut, he has a job or task.
Gafisiut meriga. Gafisiut meriga. Or Gafisiute meriga. He has a job in America.
Kafuredat, he likes to pray. Kafuredatu, she likes to pray.
Gafuredati laduga galeme surati. Gafuredati laduga galeme surati. He prays well because he goes to church often.
Gagambadi, one who likes to listen.
Gagambadi only buidu. Gagambadi only buidu. The dog listens very well. Magambadi only buidu namo. Magambadi only buidu namo. The dog doesn't listen very well at all.